Hi everyone, I'm Maria. Welcome to my channel. Today I am at Grace Bay in Turks and Caicos. I have to say that Grace Bay is one of the most beautiful beaches that I've ever been on. The water is unbelievably turquoise, warm, and the sand is so soft. Views for miles. Take a look at this. All right, here I am on a paddleboard at Turks and Caicos. Hopefully I don't fall. Woo! Look at this water. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.